guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Adorable World. How you guys are doing? I hope you are fine. If you are fine there, I am fine here. Welcome to my channel once again. Yes, those of you that join us, please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay? Yes, today I am going to make pimples, acne and eczema serums. Yes, it's going to be 3-in-1 serums. It will be very, very good. You need to try it, okay? Okay, so see you. Let's get into my workplace. This is the main ingredients. This is a seed extract, okay? I've shown this one. This is my glycerin. This one is vitamin E. This is my oil that I will use. This is my preservative. This is my fragrance. This is my eczema extract that I will use. So I will add my hydrosol. Then I add my rose water. This is my rose water, so I'll add it. Then I will add my glycerin. I've mentioned all this and indicate. Then I'll add my aloe vera juice. I'll add my propylene glycol. Okay, this is my propylene glycol. This helps for the product to penetrate into the skin. Okay. Add my eczema extract. Okay, then I'll add my white willow bar. White willow bar, okay? Are going to be the last ingredients, okay? Then I will add my chamomile extract. Then this is my xantham gum. I need to add just little xantham gum. See, so as I want to add my little xantham gum. Then I will add my preservative. I will add my preservative. I have not mentioned my preservative. I'll add preservative 0.5 grams. It's a fresh ingredient, so I need to add preservative so it won't go bad. You can use only the extract. Okay? My extract is not many. The hazy extract is not many. So that's why I use a fresh one. So in using the fresh one, I need to add time like 3 months. Before, so I don't need to start measuring them afresh. Again, I don't like it too much this on my skin, so let me add the xantham gum. I'm going to resolve my xantham gum. Use my glycerin to resolve it. I'm going to cover it and leave it for the 2 ingredients that I've added to fully dissolve, the xantham gum and the hyaluronic acid. So we'll cover it with foil paper, then we'll come back. Okay, my this one is ready. You can see the consistency is nice. See, this ready. Vitamin E. At 1.1 grams. I decided not to add my fragrance anymore, so I'm going to add my oil. Oil at 1.5 grams. Okay. Oh, this is very fine. Everything just came out. I would take the pH. Take little. pH came out 5.5. That is perfect. Okay, 5.5. This is perfect. This is your pimples, your acne, and your eczema serums. Try this and let me know, because this is very, very fine. Okay, so let's say yeah, the color looks like. Okay, so see it. I think it will give me almost 4 bottles. Okay, so see you on my next video. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new videos. Bye for now.